Hello, my name is Alfredo Austin, and I'm a 3-time alum of the American Music Abroad program. Over the last 5 years, this program has been absolutely incredible. It's given me the opportunity to go all around the world and visit countries such as Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, Tunisia, Morocco, and many more. These cultural exchanges gave me the opportunity to meet people from different walks of life. And though some of those differences were vast, it also offered the opportunity to see our similarities. It offered us the opportunity to come together, unite, collaborate, and create together. That's why I take so much honor in celebrating Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., his legacy and what he stood for. Peace, love, unity, and acceptance of our differences. And even in those differences, being able to come together and make this world a better place for our future generations. I hope when you hear this next song that I present to you, you will get a sense of unity, joy, and love. Thank you. Here is Sing Love.
Sing love, love, sing love, love. Together we'll stand as one, and sing love, sing love. In this world, so much is going on. Seems like nobody can get along. And the fighting's only getting worse. We must figure out how to make things work. Every night I get on my knees and pray that tomorrow will be a better day. So many nights I sit up awake, thinking how we can make this world a better place. Yes, we must love one another, support and lift up each other. Love one another, support every sister and brother. Together we'll stand as one, and sing love, sing love, sing love, sing love. Together we'll stand as one. Sing love, and sing love. Together we must take a stand. To fight the hate hand in hand. There is so much strength in unity. The prejudice must stop so we can live in harmony. Yes, we must love one another, support and lift up each other. Love one another, support every sister and brother. Together we'll stand as one, and sing love, and sing love, let's sing love.